The National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lane County in western Oregon until 4:30 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a severe thunderstorm 7 miles south of Hills Creek Reservoir, or 12 miles south of Oakridge. This thunderstorm is nearly stationary. Hazard, wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. Locations impacted include Oakridge, Hills Creek Reservoir, and West Fir. In Oregon, this includes State Highway 58 between mile markers 29 and 41. For your protection, move indoors to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building and avoid windows. If on or near a lake, move away from the water and seek safe shelter in the nearest building or inside a vehicle. Lightning is one of nature's #1 leading killers. Remember that if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.